Get acquainted with the 2022 Ford F-150. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Enjoy a new level of ease and confidence whether at work or play when you're in this F-150. Available features let you customize its hard-working bed, and a unique combination of military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give you the edge with class-leading towing and payload capabilities. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, power driver seat, dual zone AC. This F-150 is the sweet spot at the intersection of strong and light. Take it out for a test drive and see for yourself. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.